Hello everyone, my name is Abhijeet Thaker. Today I will discuss about our recent work on factory in a box for personalized liquid-liquid emulsions. This project has been initiated under the supervision of Professor Vivek Ranade at the University of Limerick, Ireland. Well, the main goal of this project is to develop factory in a box for a personalized emulsions where we will include soft sensors to translate customers' need into drop size distribution that can be applicable in various sectors, for example healthcare, cosmetic, food and many more. Here in this piece of work, the main focus is to develop a hydrodynamic cavitation device which will allow us to generate tailored drop size distribution for a personalized emulsions. Our approaches for this project are classified into three major categories. First, vortex-based hydrodynamic cavitation for emulsions. Second, to develop soft sensors to relate real-time data to critical quality attributes. And third, integration of a hydrodynamic cavitation device with soft sensors and optimal process conditions, which are developed in the first and second approaches. Here I would like to discuss more about our first approach. In this approach, we will develop suitable hydrodynamic cavitation devices for producing liquid-liquid emulsions with the help of experiments and by developing fundamental understanding and computational models of droplet breakage with the help of population balance modeling. We started to develop an understanding of the single drop breakage in a vortex-based hydrodynamic cavitation device, followed by droplet breakage in dilute to dense suspension in single-pass hydrodynamic cavitation treatment. We have finished these two steps and the research articles are available online. Currently, we are working on multiple passes vortex-based hydrodynamic cavitation treatments for producing liquid-liquid emulsions using different device scales, oil volume fractions and oil system, which is closely relevant to our final goal towards factory in a box platforms. So here we are developing novel vortex-based hydrodynamic cavitation device for liquid-liquid emulsions. Previously, Professor Ranade has developed this device and tested for different applications such as wastewater treatment. In the present project, we are extending the application of this device in the field of liquid-liquid emulsions because it has several unique advantages such as early inception of cavitation, enhanced contact between cavities and drops and so on. So to design an optimization of this device, we have developed experimentally validated multi-layer CFD model for liquid-liquid emulsions. Here multiphase mixer model used to simulate liquid-liquid cavitation flow in addition to the single lateral cavitation model. Further, two equation SST K omega model is adopted for the turbulence modeling. Some of the model are still being developed to predict the cavitation model accurately. We have initiated the validation of our model with the measured pressure drop with different flow rate, and the predictions are found to be in good agreement with the measurements. Further, we have performed several experiments to produce liquid-liquid emulsions considering 1 to 20% of rapeseed oil in the water system, which is widely used system in cosmetics and food industries. The main focus of these experiments was to investigate the drop size distribution after single pass and multiple pass vortex-based hydrodynamic cavitation treatment, followed by the validation and understanding of liquid-liquid flow behavior inside the cavitation device with the help of CFD-PBM simulations. Here we found that the drop size decreased in one order of magnitude and showed bimodal distribution after single pass treatment. The bimodal nature eventually vanished after 50 passes, and shorter mean diameter was found to be at around 1.5 micron after 100 passes. This indicates a significant contribution of cavitation in the emulsification process. We also calculated the breakage efficiency and power consumption in the device compared it with the different hydrodynamic cavitation device available in the literature. Here the breakage efficiency of the vortex-based hydrodynamic cavitation device showed higher values at the lower energy consumption as compared to high pressure homogenizers and other conventional devices. We just finished this research work and submitted it to the Chemical Engineering Journal. Overall, the vortex-based cavitation device showed excellent drop breakage performance, and shorter mean diameter of drops reduced from 70 micron to 5 micron in single pass. The breakage efficiency was much better than the other devices like high pressure homogenizers. CFD models were able to capture device scale flow processes and population balance model able to capture drop size distributions. The developed approach, cavitation devices and computational models are providing a sound basis for harnessing hydrodynamic cavitation for manufacturing personalized emulsion with desired critical quality attributes. Thank you very much.